Welcome back children to lesson number 3 playing with numbers and exercise 3.3. Today we will start with question number 3. Using divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. So in this question that whether the following numbers are divisible by 6 or not. So first number is 2,97,144. So here children 4 is at the ones place, so it is divisible by 2, and addition of all the digits of this numbers gives 27, which is a multiple of 3. Hence this number can be divisible by 3. Therefore, as the rule says that if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, that number will be divisible by 6, 2. So this number 2,97,144 is divisible by 6. Now the next number is 61,233. So here you can see that 3 is at ones place. So this number cannot be divisible by 2. Now we will check the divisibility of 3. So when we are adding the digits, we get 15, which is a multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. 61,233 is divisible by 3. So children, as this number 61,233 is divisible by 3 but not by 2, so it cannot be divisible by 6. Now the next number is 4,38,750. You can see 0 is at its ones place, so it is divisible by 2, and addition of all the digits of this numbers gives us 27, which is multiple of 3. Hence this number is divisible by 3. Children, as this number is divisible by 2 and 3, it can be divisible by 6 also. So now move to next question. Oh children, very big number, but with the rules we can be able to solve it soon. So the number is 17,90,184. So you can see that at ones place there is 4, which is divisible by 2. So this number can be divisible by 2. Then the addition of the digits of this numbers gives 30. So 17,90,184 is divisible by 3. As this number is divisible by both the numbers, that is 2 and 3, it can be divisible by 6 also. Then children, next number 17,852. Here also you can see that 2 is at the ones place, so it is divisible by 2. But you can see here that the addition of the digits doesn't give multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. Divisibility rule for 6 says that the number should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. So this number 17,852 is not divisible by 6. Now children, next question. 9,01,352. Here you can see that 2 is at ones place. So this number is divisible by 2. But the addition of the numbers doesn't give multiple of 3. It is giving 20. So this number 9,01,352 is not divisible by 3. So children, as this number is not divisible by 3 but by 2, this number is not divisible by 6. Children, now question number 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. So here what we will do children, here in this question we will check the following numbers are divisible by 11 or not. So the first one is 5,445. Children, you all know that the divisibility test or divisibility rule by 11 says that we have to add the odds and the evens in the numbers, and then we have to find out the difference of odds and evens, and if we get 0 or the multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. Let's start with the first one, 5,445. When we added the odds, we are getting 9, and when we added evens, we are getting again 9, and the difference is 0. So this number 5,445 is divisible by 11. Then the next number 71,38,965. So children, here you can see that when we are adding the odds we are getting 24, and when we are adding the evens we are getting 15. So the difference of odds and evens is 9, which is not divisible by 11, which is not a multiple of 11. So this number 71,38,965 is not divisible by 11. Now children, the next number is 7,01,69,308. So here you can see when we are adding the odds we are getting 17, and when we are adding the evens we are getting 17. And the difference of these odds and evens is 0. So children, this number is divisible by 11. Children, the next number is 1 crore 1. When we are adding the odds we are getting 1, and when we are adding evens we are getting 1. So the difference of odds and evens is 0. Therefore 1 crore 1 is divisible by 11. Now the next question is, write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. So the first one is dash 6724. So children, if we will add 2, the smallest number, to the space, it will be divisible by 3. Number formed by adding 2 will be divisible by 3. And when we are adding 8 the greatest number, then also the number the number formed will be divisible by 3. You can see here that the numbers when added, it gives 21 and 27, which are divisible by 3. So children, we can conclude that the smallest number 2 and greatest number 8, when added to the blank, it makes 26,724, which is divisible by 3. Now children, the last question of the exercise, question number 6, write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. So children, here we have to find out a number which will fill the space and will form a number which will be divisible by 11. So we got the number, and it is 8. 8 when added to the space, the number becomes divisible by 11. So what we will do to check, just see, we are adding the odds 9 plus 8 plus 8, it gives 25, and evens 2 plus 3 plus 9, it gives 14, and their difference is 11. So hereby we can conclude that number 9,28,389 made by adding 8, it is divisible by 11. Children, now the questions which are left, you can do them as homework. We will meet in our next topic. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.